Well, good morning, folks. So today I'm going to show you how I make pork panko. So I've got a bunch of pork rinds here. So now I use the cheat your own old-fashioned style. They're cooked a little longer. You notice they're pretty dark, and to me they just got a better flavor. So it's what I personally use, but you can use any type you want. Now, of course, this is carnivore friendly. So I just got a blender here. Now I like this particular blender because the way the blades are, instead of just having little blades at the bottom, you've got them up and down the whole thing, and this makes wonderful powders and stuff out of just about anything. And it's really easy to take apart when you're doing a big job. So I put them in one bag at a time, but I can fit a total of 3 bags in there. Once that grinds it down, then I can add another bag. So if you noticed when you were listening to that, where the tone was kind of lower pitched and then it started to rise in pitch, which means you've reached about a fine enough grind for making a nice pork panko. So we need to dump it out at this point. No, I'm just going to clean out from the edges here a bit. Now there we get a nice fine pork rind powder or pork panko, and these make wonderful chaffles or breading. This is a wonderful base for a lot of things, so I'm going to finish making this stuff up. I've got a whole bunch of bags over here to do, so I'm going to finish doing that now, but I'm not going to make you watch that. Just wanted to show you how I make mine. So, hope you enjoyed this. I'm Fuzzy D from Fuzzy Road to Health. See you on the next one, folks. Bye for now.